My name is Mike Thomas, and I'm the co-founder and chief executive officer of an innovative company called Newsomnia.
Hi, I'm a mom and the parent of a child misdiagnosed as having ADHD.
Newsomnia is an innovative company that has developed a game-changing test to diagnose pediatric obstructive sleep apnea. We replaced the only test that's available today, an overnight sleep test, and we replace it with a simple, easy to use, less costly, more accurate urine test. All you have to do is pee in a cup, and you don't even have to leave your house.
Do you think you could pee in a cup for this test?
Mom!
My son was tired and yet hyperactive. He was finally diagnosed with ADHD, and I found out it could have something to do with his sleep.
But this test is more than just about convenience. Pediatric obstructive sleep apnea is a serious condition. It's a condition where your child stops breathing. The airway collapses and it blocks the flow of oxygen. And this can happen hundreds of times throughout the night. This can result in poor quality of sleep. But what makes this incredibly important is that these interruptions in your sleep pattern can lead to daytime problems, such as frequent fatigue and irritability, hyperactivity, inability to focus. All of this can cause a lot more problems than just simply getting poor grades. And what's really critical about sleep apnea is that kids can suffer from depression. They can be misdiagnosed as having attention deficit disorder, or ADD. And left undetected and untreated, sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure, higher risks of diabetes, or even heart disease as your kids grow into adults. The most common symptom of sleep apnea is loud, frequent snoring, sometimes accompanied by gasping or choking sounds. The most common way to diagnose pediatric obstructive sleep apnea is called polysomnography.
Even though he sleeps down the hall, I could hear him snoring and struggling for breath. Then my pediatrician mentioned something I couldn't even pronounce, poly something. It turned out it was a sleep lab. He described what it required and I was like, are you kidding me?
It's a fancy word for sleep lab study. This test is usually conducted in a specialized sleep laboratory with an adult caretaker, usually a parent, nearby. By attaching dozens of wires all over your child's face, their chest and body, the equipment measures your child's brain activity, the heart rate, amount of air flowing through the nose and mouth, oxygen and carbon dioxide content in the blood, muscle activity, chest and abdominal wall movement, and sleep interruptions. It's expensive as well, especially when you factor in not just the costs of polysomnography, but the time away from school, the time away from work, travel, hotels, etc.
I have to take my son there for the entire night and leave the rest of my family at home while he's connected to a scary number of wires. And then he's supposed to sleep. Then my doctor discussed price. I felt like saying no way.
Okay, so now for the good news about our innovative test that changes all of that and what you can do to help. Newsomnia and our partner PGXL Laboratories have developed a patented test that literally eliminates the need for polysomnography. This is nothing less than a total game changer for the diagnosis of pediatric sleep apnea. This test analyzes 4 specific biomarkers that are present in a person's urine when they wake up. So Newsomnia takes you from this to this. This means no more sleep labs, no more wires, no more lost school, no more lost work days, no more travel, no more associated costs, no more sleeping in a strange bed, and no anxiety about the sleep testing process.
I can't tell you what Newsomnia's solution would have meant to me, my son, and my family. This is such good news.
In our clinical trial, the accuracy of our test was validated to be greater than 96%. We need your help now. We've completed the first stage of the assay development and the initial validation study. We need to raise money for final validation testing and production to scale up. So please, help us and all the children and parents affected by pediatric sleep apnea. Now you see why we call the urine marker test a game changer. This is a revolutionary step forward from being smothered in a strange bed in a sleep lab to the simplicity of peeing in a cup.
You call it a game changer and I call it a relief and something I can afford. Thanks, Mike.
Be a part of this pioneering advance in healthcare and help us help your children. Thank you.